I found this old telegraph key at the flea market and I'll turn it into a controller for my modular. On a recent flea market stroll, I found this thing. It cost me $3 and it's an old telegraph key. It's called a dual pedal key. I googled that. And it usually works like this. You have the two pedals and if you push on one side, it sends out a short pulse, and if you press the other one, it sends out a long pulse. These are usually connected to an electronic keyer, so some sort of device that takes the simple button presses and turns them into actual Morse code. Upon closer inspection, I believe this one is homemade. Let's take it to the workbench. The contacts looked pretty rough, and testing continuity with the multimeter confirmed that. I've used a glass fiber eraser and some rubbing alcohol to gently remove the rust from the screws and the contact points on the base. I've also tightened the screws on the wooden pedals. Nice! Okay, now we can finally continue by taking one of these GX12 airplane connectors. All other eurorack modules use these standard 3.5mm jacks, and I don't want to accidentally plug this somewhere it doesn't belong. Off he goes. Now that it's pretty and working again, let's draw up a quick schematic and turn it into a eurorack compatible 2-channel gate generator. It's a pretty simple circuit. I'm creating 10 volts using a voltage divider, buffering it and feeding it to the switch pin on the CV input jack, and buffering that input as well. Also 2 output jacks and a connector for the pedal. With that done, let's turn the schematic into a little Stripboard prototype so we can test it. Whoa, nice. I've quickly designed and 3D printed a front panel, added some fancy Bifaco nuts, and it's ready to put in the rack. For this first little patch, I have the Hertz donut plugged into the Bustle waver, and we have the main output and the aux output. The aux output is the operator A, and it syncs with the main oscillator. And I'm using the 2 CV outs of the telegraph pedal just as VCA inputs. It's a bit clicky, and I think we can get around that by using the Neo Trinity to generate envelopes. Input mode, EF plus mode, trigger. So now we have 2 envelopes, and this should sound a lot better. I've enabled live grains on multigrain. I have no idea what I've set it to. now we use the input, because currently there are just 10 volts normaled to this jack. But if we plug in something else, like I think a smooth random voltage, we should get quite a different result. Now the right pedal controls the shape CV amount and the left pedal the aux input. It's very, very tactile and sensitive. Okay, I'll just continue jamming a little bit and I'll see you in the outro. That was a fun one. What do you think? Should I build on this idea? I have some thoughts on how to expand this module with a proper PCB for anyone to build. I think it should also work great with any dual foot switch or other controller options. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Or even better, come visit my little Discord community. We can discuss projects, nerdy hobbies, and you can get some exclusive behind the scenes content. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. On clother inspection. So there's quite the resistance. Boo, 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 boo. I need to look there. Gate generator. Let's draw up a beep beep beep. Let's turn the little schematic. Let's take that schematic. No.